Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to create a little program that launches Windows programs. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to create a subroutine called run program. And we're going to tell the user what they can run. So we're going to print out, so I've got number one, choice one is notepad. Okay, choice two is calculator, and choice three is exit the program. So those are the choices that they've got. Right, so we're going to create a scalar variable here called run program. I'm going to assign it to prompt, which will take the user input. Here, so the user will type in their input there. And then we come down onto the if statement, the conditional. So scalar run program is equal to 1. So if the user has typed in 1 in the input box above, we're going to do something. We're going to use this command shell here, shell, and then we're going to type in, this is on Windows of course, notepad.exe. That should run the program. Okay, then we're going to come to the else if statement. So else if, and then we're going to do scalar run program. The entry was equal to 2. Here we're going to do something else. We're going to use the shell command again to open the calculator program. So that's going to be calc.exe, and we're going to do another else if here. Else if scalar run program is equal to 3. We're going to exit the program. And if anything else happens, we've got the catch-all here called else, and we're simply going to print out a message which could be something like, say, unknown input, something like that. Something along those lines. In fact, I'll just pull that back there. You know what? Yeah, that's better. Okay. Right. Okay, all we've got to do is save it and run the program. So we've got to call the program. And the program here is called run program. Okay. And now we're going to run it by typing in the terminal Raku, then the name of the program, test.raku. So let's hit enter. Okay, so you can see that we've got a choice. Number 1 notepad, 2 calculator, 3 exit. So let's go for number 1. Hit enter. Okay, and there you go, you've got notepad. Okay, let's run the program again. Raku test.raku. Hit enter. Let's open the calculator, number 2. Okay, and there you go, there's the calculator. And let's run another one, Raku test.raku. Hit enter, and let's exit it, which is choice 3, exit. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button below. Give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.